Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Suzuki Birdie V50 two-stroke. Absolutely gorgeous thing, very rare in this flat green, running and riding super well. From 1984, you have to remember as well. Starting at the rear then, Dublin plate, a little bit of aging here, rear mudguard, rear tyre is brand new. Chain guard present, everything very original on this bike. Make a really nice little winter project. Side stand and main stand. Left hand side cover casings, a little bit of aging. Again, please remember it's a 1984 bike. And it's as good as you're going to get, really. It's really nice little bike. Good runner, Suzuki original seat. 5,103 kilometers. Choke on the left hand side. Your key on the right hand side. Switch gear all good. Mirrors are nice. Sorry, you saw a little bit of buffing there. There wasn't a mark, a little bit of marking up the front of the headlamp area. Headlamp and indicators original, everything else original. Front mudguard all pretty good. Front tyre pretty much brand new. Spoked and chrome spoked wheels all good around here. A little bit of aging on the front shock area. Engines on the right hand side good. Beautiful little two-stroke 50 from Suzuki. Very few of them out there, getting very rare and hard to find these days. 1984 Suzuki Birdie 50. Okay, onto the Suzuki Birdie 50. Turn on the ignition. Ready to rock. And off we go. Make sure that I'm recording, and I am. Fantastic. Two-stroke little 50 with seesaw gears, 3-speed. Fucking hell. Jeez, I nearly had a fucking crash. Fuck me. Oh, right, anyway. We're still alive, and we didn't crash into the lunatic who didn't look at us. But anyway, that's how it is. That's the life of a biker. You've just seen it there, but oh, the heart is beating there now. Holy, sorry for the language. But we're running through here again. Well, I used all my stopping power, all the brakes, everything like that. Going through here, 1984 brakes to get us to stop, and we're moving through. We've got only 2 more bikes after this. Lovely stuff. That red light, by the way, is not anything to do with oil. It's a speed warning. When you reach 40 kilometers an hour, it warns you that you are now reaching the speed limit in Japan. So that's all that is. People ask us all the time. It's on all the bikes. It's like must have been some sort of government requirement for 50cc bikes, because I don't think they required a license over there in Japan. So it's just obviously to tell those people to stop. But if you have liked the video up until now, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching up till now. I do appreciate it. Where's my turn signals? Here we are. And the right one working nicely, both working. So you've seen all the electrics, stop, starting, going through all the gears, everything working. You've seen certainly the brakes work for nearly getting knocked down. But look, that's how it is. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and that's been it for this video. Again, reach out to us at Retro Bikes Dublin, Instagram and Facebook, and our official website www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks so much for watching.